The following video shows how the Draw Catenary tool of InnerSoft CAD works. First, we select the definition mode of the catenary. We start with the 2-point and parameter mode of definition of the catenary. Then, we define the start point and the end point. The parameter must be entered in the corresponding field. In AutoCAD, the catenary is drawn with a spline, 3D polyline or polyline with arcs, according to the user's choice. In addition, the initial point, the end point, the vertex, and the natural axis of the catenary are drawn. Once the catenary has been drawn, the following information is sent to the AutoCAD command line: length, parameter, and equation of the catenary with respect to its natural axis, coordinates of the vertex, global coordinates of the origin of the natural axis of the catenary, and components of the tension vector at the ends. At any time we can change some of the values that define the catenary and redraw it. On this occasion, we define the catenary by 2 points, and the length of the catenary. Finally, we define the catenary by 3 points.